Welcome to the video. In this video, you'll learn how to use the Dealer Dashboard tab of your ClickView dashboards. Access your ClickView dashboards by clicking on the green magnifying glass icon with the letter V in it. On the main menu of the ClickView dashboard, click on the Dealer Dashboard tab. At the top of the Dealer Dashboard tab, you will find 4 types of selection criteria. Firstly, the salesperson or sales grouping. Secondly, the period. Thirdly, the product or product group. And lastly, the agent. At the top right of the screen, you have a block named Current Selections. This block will reflect the selection you've made. For your convenience, the dashboard is set up to always default to you, the user that is signed on, and the current month. If you make no selection in the product or agent options, the dashboard will automatically select all products for all your agents. The first graph on the Dealer Dashboard tab reflects your dealer's target achievement. The targets reflected in this dashboard are the targets you give to your dealers. For the current selection you've chosen, these graphs show you the number of policies on the left and the revenue on the right. These numbers are for all business written by the dealer in the selected month, irrespective of the pending or active status. The next graph demonstrates your dealer's product compilation. For the current selection you've chosen, these graphs shows you the number of policies per product on the left and the revenue per product on the right. These figures also represent all business written by the selected dealer in the selected month, irrespective of the pending or active status. When you scroll down, you will find a third graph. For the current selection you've chosen at the top, this graph shows you your sales trends per product over the last 6 months for the selected dealer or dealers. The last graph is called the sales pipeline. For the current selection you've chosen at the top, this graph shows you the number of policies per product, as well as the revenue per product. This is for new business that has not been activated yet and requires some action by you. This graph includes all new business with outstanding requirements that was created in the selected month. To the right of the sales trend graph, you will notice the words New Business List. When you click on these words, you will find the list of policies that the selected dealer or dealers wrote for the selected month. This list includes all new business written for the selected month, irrespective of the pending or active status. To the right of the sales pipeline graph, you will notice the words Pending List. When you click on these words, you will find the list of policies that makes up your sales pipeline on this dashboard. Sales pipeline includes all policies that have outstanding requirements. This is for new business that has not been activated yet and requires some action by you. This graph includes all new business with outstanding requirements that was created in the selected month. Scroll back to the top of the Dealer Dashboard tab. A tip: for a quick way to enlarge your view, double tap on the tablet screen. Please note that the current selection block and the region logo block is not responsive to the double tap or other screen functions like scrolling. To select a product group or a product name, click in the selection criteria box. A drop-down box with product groups and product names will appear. To select multiple items in the drop-down box, click on the first selection and hold the S pen in. The box with the tick and cross will appear. Once this box appears, you can lift the S pen and click on the other items in the drop-down box by tapping on them. Once you've completed your selection, click on the tick. Your selection will now appear in the current selection box on the right of your screen. To narrow down the drop-down list when making a selection, start typing the first letters for your selection. In this example, the letters K and E and M were typed in the agent selection criteria box. The list of available agents will automatically reduce to your agents that contain these letters in the name. For consultant Lana, in this example, it's Ford Kempton Park and Hyundai Kempton Park. The graphs and lists on your Dealer Dashboard tab will now update according to your amended current selection. To change the current selection in the top right corner of the Dealer Dashboard tab, refer to the white icons next to each selection. These white icons are erasers. When you click on one, it will delete that specific selection. Once you've deleted a selection in the current selection box, you can go to the selection criteria box on the left of your screen and make a new selection. In this example, the period selection was deleted. To select a new period, type the period, starting with the 4-digit year, followed by the 2-digit month. This will shorten the drop-down box to the specific month selected only. Click on the month that appears in the drop-down box to enable its selection. Scroll down to the sales trend graph and click on the new business list. The new business list consists of the policy level detail of the new business that makes up the total sales in the graphs according to your current selection. There are 3 boxes at the top. The first box highlights the period selected in green. To change the selected period, click on any other period. The second box indicates the products in the new business list for the current selection. If a product doesn't appear in the product group box, no new business for that specific product was written by the selected dealer for the selected period. The third box is a combination of all your selection criteria. To change the sequence of the list, double-click on the column heading you want to sort the list by. To return to Dealer Dashboard, click on the Dealer Dashboard button in the top left corner. Scroll to the sales pipeline graph and click on the pending list. The pending list consists of the policy level detail of all new business that was created in the selected month that has outstanding requirements. The column named Reassign Reason indicates what action is required on the specific policy. If this field is empty, the premium payment and allocation is outstanding on the specific policy. There are 2 boxes at the top. The first box provides a list of products that can be selected to show in the list. To select multiple products, select one and hold the S pen in until the cross and tick box appears. Once this box appears, additional products can be selected. The second box is a combination of all the selected criteria. To change the sequence of the list, double-click on the column heading you want to sort the list by. To return to Dealer Dashboard, click on the Dealer Dashboard button in the top left corner. If a block in any list on the dashboard appears in green, it means you've made a selection. In this example, the product Credit Life Lifestyle is highlighted in green. The current selection block in the top right-hand corner will be updated with the selection in green. In this example, Credit Life was added to the product selection. To amend the selection, follow the erase process explained earlier in this video. To narrow the pending list down to a specific agent, type the first letters of the agent name in the agent selection criteria box. Select the agent to update the list to that agent specifically. Click on the Dealer Dashboard button at the top left corner to return to the Dealer Dashboard tab. To return to the main menu, click the Home button at the top left corner on any page in the dashboards. Thank you for watching.